Planning to ship your car to the Virgin Islands? Car shipping from the mainland U.S. to the Virgin Islands typically ranges between $1,500 and $3,600. Because the Virgin Islands are a U.S. territory, customs duties are lower compared to other Caribbean destinations. The U.S. Virgin Islands include St. Thomas, St. John, and St. Croix. Driving is often necessary since public transport is limited and taxis can be costly. The island's unique terrain and weather also make having a reliable vehicle essential. If your car was made in the U.S., there's no import duty. Cars manufactured outside the U.S. face a 6% duty based on the vehicle's value, plus a road tax of 16 cents per pound. To ship your car, you'll need: the most common shipping method is roll-on, roll-off, where your vehicle is driven onto the ship and secured for transit. For additional cargo, containerized shipping is available, allowing you to ship household goods along with your car. Ready to ship your car to the Virgin Islands? Call A1 Auto Transport at 1-888-230-9116 or visit our website to get a free, no-obligation quote now.